Welcome to Mamot! Okay, ito ng alingo. Dinakdakang alingo. Diba? Ganyan po ang kanyang itsura and color. Iba po talagang kulay ng alingo. Wild pig. Ayan naman. Ang ating tilapia. Let's eat. Kain po tayo. Look. Yummy alingo. Then meron din po tayong adobo. Adobong alingo. Ayan siya. Okay, let's eat.
Amen.
Yeah, my honey-do list is mile wide. Came home late one too many times. Looks like she's had all she could take of me.